Dreamfinders presents The Jordan. Features a 2-story family room, large kitchen with island, and eat-in area. First floor laundry room and first floor owner bedroom with a tray ceiling, large walk-in closet, bath with dual vanities, garden tub and separate shower. The second floor features 4 other bedrooms. Large backyard for outdoor entertaining. Gated community with pool and clubhouse. No city tax. Added extras in this home. Laminate in great room and powder room. Surround sound in great room. Side entry garage. Dreamfinders Homes offering the top sale. 2-story home in a gated community with pool/clubhouse. Large kitchen with island opening to generous-sized eat-in nook and oversized living room. Formal dining with coffered ceiling. Open plan with kitchen overlooking into living room. Large master suite is upstairs, large laundry room, plus 2 bedrooms, open loft and a shared full bath. 0.55-acre lot. Come visit this family-friendly community of Oakmont. No city tax. Dreamfinders presents The Kent. This home features a 2-story family room, large gourmet kitchen with island, and eat-in area. First floor laundry room and owner bedroom with a tray ceiling, large walk-in closet, bath with separate vanities and 5 feet shower. The second floor features 3 other bedrooms plus loft. Large backyard for outdoor entertaining. Gated community with pool and clubhouse. No city tax. Added extras in this home. Dreamfinder Homes presents the Roosevelt Plan. 2-story foyer opens to the formal dining room, family room with fireplace which leads you to the kitchen and breakfast nook. A kitchen made for a chef. Large island, lots of cabinet space and countertop. Office, plus study with closet and half bath. The second floor features a vaulted owner suite with a sitting area, a large 13 by 9 walk-in closet, huge owner bath area. 3 other bedrooms, plus theater room. Side garage entry. Gated community with pool. The ever-popular Jackson plan is perfect for growing or large family. 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath with media room upstairs. You'll love the spacious owner suite downstairs with beautiful ensuite featuring dual vanity, large shower and designated water closet. 2-story family room with fireplace, casual dining and formal dining with coffered ceiling. The upstairs offers 4 bedrooms plus study. Family-friendly gated community with pool. Oh my! Please, this on your must-see list. No city tax. Summertime fun with community pool.